Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. We had wild volatility on Friday. Some false reports that the tax plan wasn't going to go through led to an all-out market dump. We also had some Trump-Russia stuff come out. And as always, the market bulls were there to buy the dip in very significant fashion and close above the upper Bollinger Band, remaining in breakout mode for the 4th day in a row, a complete recovery. It gives us a new support level to be watching down at 260.76, the low of that dump, which is now our new higher low on the daily time frame. The middle Bollinger Band is going to be making its way up towards that level. And on the weekly time frame, still all bulls going forward with the strong close even just under the upper Bollinger Band resistance. So we'll watch to see how the bulls react to this on Monday. If we can't break 265.31, we'll form an inside bar on the daily time frame, and that's what's more likely to happen than not after all of that volatility. IWM, same thing. Look at that all-out dump. We filled the gap back down to 149.58. The bulls bought the dip off the 50-day and the middle Bollinger Band supports and saw an extremely strong close, keeping exponential moving average support and recovering fully. Well, not a full recovery, but recovering very significantly for the third highest close in IWM history after that dump. So resistance is 153.71 and the all-time high of 154.55, and the bulls are trying to keep support of 148.75 from where we currently stand. Weekly time frame for IWM, a little bit of an upper wick of profit taking, not significant at this point. Bulls still in full control, looking very strong. How we respond to this wild day this coming week will be very telling, but considering the tax plan went through, I would anticipate the market to be able to hold on pretty strong and be looking for just normal healthy consolidation when we do pull back. QQQ, big time pullback. Higher lows on the daily lost. We broke the inside bar bearish. This was a really nice setup because it was easy to go bearish on these names, these tech names that dumped on Wednesday because their inside bars, most of them broke bearish. So the bear signal was 154.15 on QQQ, and we dropped all the way down to 152.26. So the bulls did close right at the middle Bollinger Band. They are trying to recover, but at this point, the last 4 days, we have a clear hourly lower high pattern. So watch for a break of the lower highs and watch for a higher low and a higher high on the hourly to indicate the bulls have completely regained momentum in their favor. This is the most bearish candlestick on the weekly time frame we've seen in 3 months on the QQQs here. The higher low pattern is still intact, 151.78, and now 152.26 is our new higher low. Still holding exponential supports. A volume climax, we'll have to be watching for the potential that volume climaxes signal the top of an uptrend. Could just indicate that some healthy consolidation is coming. Same thing on SPY, because of that Friday volatility, it's a volume climax and the highest volume that we've seen in 2017 on the weekly time frame, right around the same level as the highest volume that we've seen. So it was a very notable volume week. There was a ton of volatility. Things haven't really settled down from that just yet. We know the bulls bought the dip significantly, but that's what we're going to be watching for this week. Can the bulls continue this strong momentum? Is the tax plan going to be getting priced into the market at this point, and we're going to need other catalysts and things of that nature are what we're going to be looking at. But at this point, the bulls still have control of the trend, and they continue to buy the dip at every opportunity. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow.